The Lord is my shepherd. Psalm 23, 1 to 6. Psalm 23 is one of the most comforting and powerful passages in the Bible. It reminds us that God is not distant or uncaring. He is a loving shepherd who personally guides, protects, and provides for his people. When David wrote, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want," he spoke from experience. As a shepherd himself, David knew what it meant to care for helpless sheep. Sheep cannot survive on their own. They need constant guidance, protection, and provision. In the same way, we depend on God every day. When we let Him lead, He provides everything we truly need: peace, strength, and direction. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. God knows when our soul is weary. He invites us to rest in His presence, to find peace where chaos once ruled. Sometimes we keep running, trying to fix everything on our own, but the shepherd gently calls us to stop, breathe, and trust Him. His still waters bring calm to the heart that feels overwhelmed. He restores my soul. Life can drain us emotionally, spiritually, and mentally. But God doesn't just patch up our wounds. He restores what was broken. He renews our hope when we've lost it. He strengthens our faith when it feels weak. He guides me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. God doesn't just lead us anywhere. He leads us in the right way. Sometimes His direction may not seem easy, but it is always good. When we walk in His path, our lives bring honor to His name. Even when I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will not be afraid. Notice David says through the valley, not stuck in it. Valleys are temporary. The shepherd never leaves us there alone. His presence is our protection. His rod and staff, our comfort. Finally, David says, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. That's the confidence of a heart that trusts God completely, knowing that His love will never let go. Today, remember, you are never alone. The same shepherd who guided David is guiding you. Trust Him with your journey, rest in His care, and follow His voice, because He knows the way home.